Hello and welcome to learningcpanel.com. In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through cPanel's File Manager. File Manager is where you're going to upload, copy, delete, move any files you may have on your cPanel. Now to get started, we're going to go to the Files section of our cPanel and we're going to click on the File Manager icon. That's going to bring up this pop-up box. It gives you some options on where you want to start as far as where the first page you're seeing in the File Manager is, as well as showing hidden files, or if you want to just bypass this step every time from here on out. Now, I do always select the Show Hidden Files checkbox here, just because I like working with the .htaccess file a lot. You're gonna find eventually that you will be using that file a lot, and you may as well go ahead and just show the files. Okay, and this is our home directory in our file manager. Now to get to the document root, or the where your website's files are going to be stored, it's going to be in this public_HTML directory. So we're going to double click it. And this is the public HTML directory. Now I'm going to show you how to upload a file. It's just as simple as clicking this upload icon. You can click browse and find the file, which is right here. And it's going to automatically upload. It's going to start it. It's going to let you know as soon as it's done. And once it's done, you can click go back to the file manager. And there you can see our files right there. And let's say we want to edit the file a little bit. We can use the HTML editor that's included with File Manager. It's a basic WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get File Manager. We're going to click the edit button here. And this is what I just uploaded. We can add to it. And we can change the color. And it's pretty straightforward. It's just like editing a Word document. And if you want, you can just move this up a little bit. You can see the source code of the file, or you can see a preview of what it should look like in a browser. Okay, we're gonna go back to design. We're going to save it, and we're going to go back to the file manager. Now you have two other editing options. You have the code editor and you have the editor editor. The editor is just like editing a text file out of Notepad. The code editor, I'll give you a quick glimpse at that. It's going to just look like a more fancy text editor, and it's got each line numbered. That way you can see which line you're on and see where the error lies. A lot of error messages will give you a specific line number to look at. So we're going to close this without saving. Now to copy a file, you just select the file and click the copy icon. And we're going to name it /index2.html. And we're going to copy it. It's going to refresh, and there you see our index2.html. And now if we wanted to move the file to the CGI bin here for whatever reason, we're going to click move, public HTML /CGI-bin /index2.html. And we're going to select to move. And then you see the files disappeared from here. We're going to go into our CGI bin, and there's the file. And now we're going to show you how to remove the file. You're just going to select the file here, and you're going to click delete. It's going to ask you to confirm, and do note that there is no recycle bin. Once you delete a file, it's gone unless you have a backup. All right, we've removed the file, and that is your quick rundown of the cPanel File Manager.